Arena 4D add-in for SolidWorks, center pivot point. So here we have a large point cloud in terms of its actual size. This is around a fifth of a mile. And over here we probably have a sixth of a mile. So it represents a large area. So if I was to rotate the point cloud, whilst this may seem fine, it is rotating as expected, but I want to concentrate on this area. Now, preferably you would crop this area off here and this area here before you actually converted it to a VPC file, but you don't always have that control, and this is what we have been presented with. So the area of interest I have is in here. Now rotate to the point cloud. That's impossible to work with when I want to work on this tower here. I cannot work with that, it's not rotating because the center point of this point cloud is over here, and therefore it pivots around that point and not my point of interest, because remember the point cloud is not being cropped and this part is not centered. So all we need to do, look at the area of interest, holding the shift key, double click the left mouse button, and now we rotate around that point, and work is now going to be very simple because we are rotating around the desired point. I can show that here. If our area of interest is this corner here, shift, left double click, rotation is now perfectly around this point.